now to review on the Thomas and Kana pack. And yes, I did buy almost a month ago. Yeah, I think it was a month ago when it was Christmas time. And yeah, I will open this up. Hold on the camera for where should right here, I think. Yeah. I will open this up right now. There's Kana out. And now Thomas. I think these two look splendid. As much as I'm not a fan of all engines go anymore, I still like this one. As well as this Kana one. Yeah, it's probably my most favorite one of all time. And that was the review, and bye bye for now.